This is a shoe rack that we have outside our home, and you know, I've tried to keep it as neat as possible, but it gets a little unruly, and I'm looking for a better solution. So I'm thinking of an idea, and I'm hoping it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these things. I've done a video on these, more of a look at, because I had actually no use for them. The project I was going to use them on fell through. And what I wanted to do was actually, I got to see which ones, but actually I found another use for them. What I like to do is use them to mount shoes. So the way I'm going to use them is by taking a piece of wood. I'm going to show you the wood. It's going to go across, and I'm going to mount this to the home. And the piece of wood, you'll be able to put the shoes within there, and it'll go across. It'll be permanent, and it'll be, as you can see, it'll be a lot less space taken up, probably 4 times less. And I'll show you. And I'm going to try it. I don't know if I'm going to need the long one or the short one. I think the short one's probably going to be best, but I have to get the exact size. So I'm looking to replace that with, to be able to put the shoes inward more. So let's get started, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to have to cut these down. These are 8 feet long. I'm going to make it 6 feet long. Piece of regular wood that you buy at any Home Depot or Lowe's. Okay, mark the 6 feet. Copy that. Right there. Just one long line. Just go all the way up. You don't have to be perfect. A little crooked, but fine. Thank you. I found these, and these are usable, so I'm going to use this, put it at this end over here. I already tightened it. And you want to do the other two? Sure. There you go. Matter of fact, let me just take this off, so you can put it straight down. Go. Be careful, there's openings here so they could fall out. Yep. Next. Perfect. Do me a favor. Go in there on top of the table. There's this small one and another one, and 2 of these, and 1 of these small ones, right there in the corner of the table. Thank you. So I'm gonna actually try one before I do the rest of them, and I'm gonna, if it does work, I'm gonna paint them. I decided to go with the short ones because the front of the shoes are so thin. It should always slide through this size. It should be easy. So let's keep going. So go ahead. Let me. Okay, let's, so now we'll put this on, and now we'll put the last one on, and you're gonna help me real quick just to make sure that it fits. So we're gonna try the bottom first, and then work our way up to see how far up we go. And that's it. Oh, let's try it. Very perfect. It's leveled. Put it on. It is as leveled as we can get it. Can you step back, son? And this is the setup. We're gonna have to paint it, but I want to get an idea. I only put 1 screw in the wall right now, as you can see. they're gonna go in at an angle. The fortunate thing is that the side of my home is wood, so I could put screws through it all I want. I just have to be careful with the electrical areas. I brought that in from the inside. It's lower so I can fit it in. And I think I only need 2. I might have put 3 or 4, but... So basically, once you saw me screw it into the wood, once I got out against the wall, I'm sorry, I needed 2 people. I had nobody to tape. My son was holding it up while I leveled it, and I put 1 screw in. So I only got 1 screw in so far. Screwing it away, all 4 screws. So now, let me paint it. It looks pretty good. And I painted the same color as the wall outside, so it'll match. And I only needed 2. Pretty cool. I like the way it looks. So I'm gonna let it dry. I have the fan there. I painted it brown. Let me see if I can get a full shot of it without... and I'll show it to you with everything in place. Yeah, let's come back tomorrow. What a difference between that big giant one and you saw earlier to that. I'm going to be much happier with this setup.
You guys talking with me earlier?
No.
Oh, I wasn't sure.
So you tell me what you think.
Ah, how beautiful. I like that.
Okay, I got a thumbs up from the wife. I'm done. I waited overnight for it to dry and it came out nice. All the shoes hang up nicely and they're out of the way, and I have more room now and it's less messier looking. Tell me what you think. I'll have all the information. The piece of wood is 2x4s you can get at Home Depot. Paid like $2 or $3 for each of them. I only put 2 up. And these are shelf mounts. They're you know, plumbing supply items or playground items. And I purchased those on Amazon. I was going to do a shelf project, but I changed my mind. And I used them for this, and it worked out well. I think so. I like it. I'm very happy with it. So let me know what you think below. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.